Now I'm gonna cut the ribbon and free my aquarium from the strap. The strap says don't use it as a handle. There we go. And so now we're going to unbox this. And what do we have in this kit? It says that right here that it's got a glass aquarium, a hood, LED lamp, a heater, 20 watts, wow, and a bunch of other stuff. So if I lift up the cover, you can see the LED lights are there. And if we look in here, you can see this is a 20 watt heater to warm the water up. And the other benefit of putting the aquarium here is I'm right next to an electrical outlet. Inside, let me get this out. It feels like it's a power supply. And it's glued down. Maybe that's the power supply, I don't know. And then it looks like this is glued to the bottom. It's actually easy to peel up. We don't want to leave any glue in here for the fishes. So whatever glue they use is easy to get off the bottom of this glass. There we go. Just keep rolling it with your thumb and it eventually peels off. Instructions. Peel this off in here. There. And this kit comes with a water sampler that you can take to your local pet store, the thermometer, and the first ornament or decoration. Inside there's also a wand to get the fish so you can clean it. And look at that. Whoops, sorry, I'm banging my pans. You can see I like bacon. And we're cleaning this out. There we go. That is cleared out. And where I'm going to put this, if I can get this off, there we go. So I want to put the unit here. And because I have a little bit of a gap right here, you can see it wants to rock, I'm going to put some shims in there.